Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to host a website for free using GitHub Pages, and this is a very beginner-friendly video. First, let's learn about GitHub Pages. Basically, these GitHub Pages, they let you host your websites for free directly using your GitHub repository. And mainly, you can host only static websites. So if you have a backend or databases, you probably cannot host it here. The best examples would be your portfolio files or basic or simple projects that contain only HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. And all you need is just a GitHub repository with all your project files in it. And let me also give a quick demonstration of how it works. So this is my GitHub repository of an web app. It's a fitness tracking web application, and I will host this in GitHub Pages. The first step is to go to my settings. So click on this settings button. Scroll down in the code and automation section, you will find the pages option. Yes, this is what we are going to use, and click on it. And yes, and now I have to fill out a couple of options here. So first is the source. Source of this deployment is going to be from a branch. I'm going to deploy my main branch. And yes, the branch is main. And for the domain, it's going to be probably my project name dot github name.github.io. It's a standard URL. I hope it was right. Let's see once the deployment is done. And to kick off the build or the deployment, what I'm going to be doing is I just changed it to none. And now I'm going to change it back to the main. And this should kick off the build. Yes, I was right, as you can see. And now it might take some time. Let's see how much time it takes. It probably shouldn't be more than a minute. And the build is going on. Yes, the build is completed now. This checkmark means that the build and deployment is done, and you should receive a live link. Let's go back to pages option, and yes, your site is live. I can see the link. Okay, so the URL was my GitHub name.github.io / my project name. Yes, this is a standard URL for, if you are using it for different project, the initial will be the same, project name.github.io / project name. That is going to be the standard format for all the hosting. And yes, everything looks great. This is working exactly as expected. And that's it for this video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.